Hello and welcome to this short clip. It's about a trip from Chandigarh to the Tirthan Valley. The Tirthan Valley is a hidden gem. It's the gateway to the Great Himalayan National Park. It takes around 7 to 10 hours from Chandigarh via the Mandi route, which is the better road. And it's important to realize that when you're traveling with kids, when you're traveling with pets, you may take a little longer than what is told in Google Maps. So be ready for that. You need to drive up to Mandi and then to the Hot Tunnel. Once you reach the Hot Tunnel, take a right towards the Balli Chowk and enter the Tirthan Valley. That's when the crowd to Kulu and Manali will disappear, and you'll be thankful for that. There are advantages and disadvantages of traveling to the hills during the monsoons. Well, there are the advantages are obvious. You have a wonderful drive. It's beautiful. The skies are wonderful. The clouds are just amazing to see. Everything is clean and washed. The green color of the trees around you is just a different green, which you'll never see elsewhere. You'll see small rivulets, small streams. Having said that, you may have problems with landslides, you may have problems with massive traffic jams, so you need to be ready for these. But I feel these are small prices to pay for going up to this beautiful Tirthan Valley. As soon as you cross the bend and enter the valley, you see the mighty Tirthan River, which is amazing during the monsoons, and it flows through the valley, cuts across, comes from the Tirth Glacier in the Great Himalayan National Park, and joins the Beas River. There are many things to do. Google will tell you many things to do, but the best thing to do in this valley is to get a homestay next to the river, just sit and soak in the colors, sit and soak in the sunrise and the sunset, and believe me, it is one of the best things you will do. The river is just amazing. It doesn't trouble anybody, and one of the nice activities to do here is freshwater angling. Of course, that is seasonal, and you need to get proper permits. Usually, the homestay guys and the guides will help you with that. It's not very expensive. Try your hand at the local rainbow trout fishing. The other things to do is just walk around or drive around, have a look at the waterfalls, take your kids for small nature walks, go to the cheed bugs, just show them what where apples come from, just show them the colors. Another interesting fact about this valley, and especially most mountains during the monsoons, is the amazing colors, the amazing fragrances. And believe me, these colors and fragrances are totally different when you are in this area. It's just different. It's a very easy drive, doable trip, so have a great trip. Thank you.